then click on news links.
And no one's going to scream like in A Few Good Men, "Did you order the code red?" We're going to get that.
Oh, I got you. Code red.
Oh, okay. We'll deal with that. And by the way, the latest we've ever gone, you guys, with not getting a severe thunderstorm warning, or at least the latest period of time, June 5th. So we are going to close in on that. It's going to be very close. But next week, and next week we've got a shot at grabbing some showers, and maybe we get a severe thunderstorm out of that. Not necessarily something we want to get, but at least it would mean we're getting some sort of rain. Red River ski area, well, the snow almost gone, just a little bit left there, and we have partly cloudy skies across the area for today. And what we'll get here over the next couple of days will be relatively dry setup until next week. That's when we really start to see some changes out there. As far as the current conditions in the metro area go, very, very nice. 87 degrees, winds out of the south at 8 miles an hour, relative humidity really, really low. So the air mass over us for now is very dry, and it will stay that way for at least a few more days. 70s and 80s across the north right now, down to the south still at 94 in Carlsbad, 90 Roswell, 93 Alamogordo, and 93 in TRC. So definitely have some warmth going down south, and wait till you see the numbers on how warm it's going to get down there throughout the next 3 to 4 days. We're talking easy triple-digit heat across southeastern New Mexico. Winds are a factor today. 28 miles an hour Las Vegas, 26 in Gallup, 23 in both Silver City and Deming, 24 in Roswell. You add the gusts into the mix. We're still at 36 Silver City, 39 Las Vegas, and up into Raton, 30 in Cortez, and 38 in Gallup. So definitely have seen things ramp up a bit wind-wise out there. But Albuquerque with a 16-mile-an-hour gusts, for us, this would definitely qualify as a downwind day. So that's good. Now, as far as the cloud cover goes, a little bit going through right now, but throughout the day tomorrow, still plenty of sunshine on the way, and we are going to see those winds remain a factor, especially across the south and east again for tomorrow. But here in the metro area, we'll keep those winds down at least a little bit throughout the day tomorrow. Problem is, as we get in towards Saturday, we start to ramp those westerly winds up again. Another storm system tries to nudge its way in our direction, but by Sunday it turns and heads to the north. So we keep the winds here across the state. We also keep very warm temperatures throughout the holiday weekend. These are the numbers here for Saturday. 80s and 90s for us across the north, but check out southeastern New Mexico. 106 in Carlsbad coming up for Saturday. 103 in Artesia. Over 100 in areas like Roswell, Lovington, Portales, close to that. So it's going to be extremely hot across the southeast. Please be careful. That's dangerous heat. 70s and 80s across the northwest for tomorrow. Less wind out there. Relatively quiet through the holiday weekend, although we could grab a quick shower Sunday into Monday, and then again later on next week. South and west, things going to be interesting here. 80s and 90s here over the next couple of days with southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. And through about Monday or Tuesday, things should be just fine. But then we start to see a chance at picking up a storm or two Wednesday into Thursday as our forecast starts to change a bit. We'll have much more on that coming up tonight at 10. Across the southeast, 103 tomorrow, Carlsbad, 100 Artesia, 94 Portales. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Very hot through Monday, but then the chance of storm starts to pop up there, and this could really be a significant change for us because we'll get a little more moisture coming up from the south. It's not the monsoon necessarily yet, but it is a flow pattern that's similar, and it really could help us out. 83 in Roy, 90 in Conchas, 91 in Santa Rosa. Wind gusts tomorrow up to 40 miles an hour. We get through the holiday weekend with some gusty winds, and then next week, chance at showers. Over the northern mountains, gusty winds again for tomorrow. Gusts up to about 45 miles an hour. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s. And then into next week, we get that chance at showers as well. Over into the East Mountains, it'll be breezy tomorrow with west winds peaking out around 40 miles an hour and mostly sunny skies. Here in the metro, not too bad. Southwest winds 15 to 25. Temps in the mid-80s. And your extended forecast. We will have a windy weekend, especially on Sunday. And then, yes, that could be real thunderstorm activity by the middle of next week.
Holy moly.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports is next.